The importance of changing your car's coolant. Ever wondered why your car's engine overheats? Or why your heater doesn't work as well as it used to? The answer might be simpler than you think. It could be your coolant. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of changing your car's coolant, the benefits of doing so, and the potential damage that can occur if you neglect this essential maintenance task. What is coolant? Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is a fluid that circulates through your car's engine to regulate its temperature. It prevents the engine from overheating, which can cause serious damage. Why is coolant important? Optimal engine temperature. Coolant maintains a stable engine temperature, preventing overheating and ensuring efficient operation. Corrosion prevention. Coolant contains additives that inhibit rust and corrosion within the cooling system components. Longevity of cooling system components. Regular coolant changes help extend the life of the radiator, water pump, hoses, and other parts. Improved fuel efficiency. A well-maintained cooling system contributes to better fuel economy. Enhanced heater performance. Coolant circulates through the heater core, providing efficient cabin heating in colder weather. What happens if you don't change your coolant? Engine overheating. Degraded coolant loses its ability to effectively dissipate heat, leading to engine overheating. This can cause severe damage to engine components, including warping of cylinder heads and piston damage. Corrosion and rust. Old coolant can become acidic, leading to corrosion and rust within the cooling system. This can cause leaks, reduce coolant flow, and ultimately, system failure. Reduce cooling system efficiency. Contaminants and scale buildup can clog the radiator and restrict coolant flow, further hindering heat dissipation. Premature component failure. Corrosion, overheating, and reduced efficiency can accelerate the wear and tear on cooling system components, leading to premature failures. How often should you change your coolant? It is generally recommended to change your car's coolant every 2 years or as per the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. This helps ensure optimal engine performance and prolongs the life of your vehicle's cooling system. In this video, we discuss the importance of changing your car's coolant, the benefits of doing so, and the potential damage that can occur if you neglect this essential maintenance task. Remember to check your owner's manual for the recommended coolant change interval for your specific vehicle. Don't neglect this important maintenance task, as it can save you money and headaches in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.